Hello everyone. Today's topic is the clinical trials. Explain the clinical trials. Mm, Clinical trials are research studies that test new medical treatment, device, and procedure on people to determine if they are safe and effective. They are a key part of medical progress, and it can involve drug, behavioral treatment, and more. Here are some things to know about the clinical trial phases. Trials have four phases. Phase 1, test a new drug on a small group of people to find a safe dosage and identify side effects. Phase 2, test a treatment that was safe in phase 1st or a larger group of people to monitor for adverse effects. Phase 3, test a treatment on a larger population in different regions and countries. Phase 4, test a drug after it has been approved to learn more about side effects, long-term risk, and how it works in a wider population. Randomization. Participants are randomly assigned to treatments to avoid bias. Informed consent. Participants are given details about the trial and can withdraw it anytime. Confidentiality. Strict rules are in place to protect participant confidentially. Ethics. Clinical trial must adhere to a strict code of ethics. Time. Clinical trials can take several years to complete. Often a clinical trials is designed to learn if a new treatment is more effective or has a less harmful side effect than existing treatment. Other aims of clinical research includes testing ways to diagnose a disease early, sometimes before there are symptoms. Clinical trials are research studies in which people volunteers to help find answers to specific health questions. When carefully conducted, they are safe and faster way to find new treatment and ways to improve health. Clinical trials are conducted according to the plan called the protocol, which describes the type of patient who might enter the study, the schedules of tests and procedures, the drug involved, the dosage or amount of the drug, the length of the safety study, what the research hope to learn from the studies. Volunteers who participate in the study must agree to the rules and terms outlined in the protocol. Similarly, researchers, doctors, and other health professionals who manage the clinical trial must follow strict rules set by the FDA. These rules make sure that those who agree to participate are treated as safely as possible. Learn more about the basics of clinical trial participation, read first-hand experience from actual clinical trials volunteers, and see explanation from researchers at the NIH clinical research trials are web site. Why clinical trials done? Clinical trials are conducted for many reasons: to determine whether a new drug or device is safe and effective for a people to use, to study different ways to the standard treatment or current approved treatment so that they will more effectively easier to use, or describe certain side effects to learn how to safely used a treatment in a population for which the treatment was not previously tested, such as children who should consider clinical trials and why. Some people participate in a clinical trial because none of the standard approved treatment option have worked, or they are unable to tolerate a certain side effect. Clinical trials provide another options when standard therapy has failed. Other participants in trials because they want to contribute to the advancement of medical knowledge. FDA role in reporting new drugs and medical treatment. FDA makes sure and medical treatment and safe and effective for people to use. We do not develop new therapies or conduct clinical trials. Rather, we observe the people who WHO do and FDA staff meet with researchers and perform inspection of the clinical trial studies. Thank you.